Welcome back. Today we are solving this. If x equal to 2 minus square root 3, y equal to 2 plus square root 3, find x over y square plus y over x square. Okay. K equal to x over y square plus y over x square equal to uh, cross multiply x times x squared is x to the cube plus y squared times y is y squared divided by x squared times y squared. Okay. uh, x equal to 2 minus square root 3 given 1 y equal to 2 plus square root 3 given 2. Okay. Uh, Adding 1 and 2, x plus y equal to 2 times 2, 4. Minus square root 3 plus square root 3. We cancel. Okay. Equation theta. Okay. Uh, in the denominator is x squared times y squared. 2 x times y squared equal to x is 2 minus square root 3. 2 minus square root 3 times y is 2 plus square root 3. 2 plus square root 3 square. Okay. Remember the difference of squares? A plus b times a minus b equal to a plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay. Then x square times y square equal to multiply 2 minus square root 3 times 2 plus square root 3 is 2 square minus square root 3 square. Square root 3 square equal to do square 4 minus square root 3 square is 3. 2 get 1, then x square times y square equal to 1, then x times y equal to 1. Okay. Remember the identity? A plus b to the cube equal to a to the cube plus b to the cube plus 3 a times b ab times addition a plus b. Okay. Uh, Equation theta x plus y equal to 4. Uh, we cube the theta equation to the cube. Okay. X plus y to the cube is x to the cube plus y to the cube plus 3x times y. Multiply x plus y equal to 4 to the cube, 64. Okay. X to the cube plus y to the cube plus 3. X plus y is 1 times x plus y to get 4 equal to 64. Uh, then x to the cube plus y to the cube plus multiply 3 times 4, 12 equal to 64. Then x to the cube plus y to the cube equal to 64 minus 2, 62 minus 10, 52. Okay. Uh, Finally, k equal to uh, x to the cube plus y to the cube divided by x squared times y squared equal to x to the cube plus y to the cube is 52. Okay, replacing 52 divided by x squared times y squared is 1. Replacing 1 is 52. Okay. Okay. Thank you.